everyone, I'm here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Our vlog for today is we're going somewhere in the river, guys. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Samahan nyo kami, guys. Let's go! Ayan, guys. Makakagoran naman tayo kasi day off ni Padi. Ayan, kaya gogora tayo. Gora na naman tayo. Punta tayo sa kung saan tayo dalhin. Punta tayo guys sa some river, some beautiful view. Kaya samahan nyo kami guys. Tingnan nyo guys itong mga kahoy. Super beautiful, so fresh. Kahit mainit siya guys, siya. Fresh tingnan. Mainit ang weather, guys. Because it's summer. It's summer. That's why. Samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo, guys. Tadadan. Shout out sa inyong lahat, guys. Sa mga nanonood. Dito sa our vlog for today. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Walang sawang pag-support sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Shout out sa lahat ng mga ibang country na nanonood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Sa mga OFW sa iba-ibang bansa, thank you very much sa walang sawang pag-support sa akin YouTube channel, sa iba-ibang bansa na napakarami. Thank you very much. Shout out sa inyong lahat and stay safe and God bless. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Tingnan nyo guys tong sunflower. Napakaraming sunflower guys. Ang ganda. Super ganda. Oh, wow. Super dami ng sunflower, ang lawak guys. Yan o, nakikita nyo hanggang doon, dulo. So, ang daming sunflower. Ang kabila pa guys. Sa kabilang kalsada, ang dami lang, ang haba. Napakalawak guys, hanggang dulo. Oh my God. Kahit saan may sunflower, OMG. Ayan guys, so may mga punong apple pa guys. Mga apple, ang dami. Super dami ng apple. Enjoy kayo guys. I just wanna share this. What have here. It's a beautiful. Ala guys, so ang dami. Kahit saan maraming sunflower dito. Malalawak yung mga farm nila guys dito. Oh, tingnan nyo. Corn, sunflower, napakaraming dito guys, mga farm. Napakalawak ng mga farm dito. Ayan, nakikita niyo mga sunflower, wala pang masyadong flowers. Yung iba marami ng flowers, yung iba nakabuka na yung seeds ba. Ayun na, sunflowers pa guys. Oh my God, napakarami. Magsawa dito ng mga sunflowers. Ginagawa kasi yan dito guys na oil. Oil daw. Kaya maraming sunflower dito guys. Super lawak na mga farm nila guys. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. At ako'y nag-i-enjoy. At syempre guys, shout out sa buong Pilipinas. Alam ko may mga nanonood din sa akin. Sa Pilipinas, shout out sa inyong lahat, shout out sa aking family, shout out sa aking mga friend, sa inyong lahat, sa buong Pilipinas, shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo. Gora lang tayo. Walking into red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight.
Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Heard it from a friend.
Ayan guys, medyo malayo-layo ang pupuntahan natin. Kaya sana nandyan pa rin kayo. Samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo guys. Samahan nyo kami. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo. Gora lang tayo guys.
In the still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason, just let the world embrace us. In the silence, we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to let your own light through, I'll be there to help you shine.
Ayan guys, kalokan itong daanan. Papunta tayo doon sa dulo. Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon doon hanggang dulo sa may unahan na yun. Tignan niyo tong daanan guys, super sikip niya. One way lang talaga siya. Pero may mga dito, may mga pumupunta din dito guys, alam ko. May mga dito mga nagpi-fishing siguro. Mga nagpi-fishing ba, mga people. Makikita natin guys kung anong mayroon doon. Kung anong mayroon doon. Diretso lang tayo. Diretso. Guraga lang. Wala, kasikip na daanan ba? Ano dito Parang na dito guys, papunta ng Kagubatan ba guys? Kagubatan. Ayan na guys. Ano kaya yan? Siguro may natutulog dyan. Yan, ito na guys yung river. Yan. Tingnan lang natin guys kung ano dito. Wala lang. Ganito lang siya guys. Ayan parang ang lalim na ng tubig. Ang lalim ng tubig. Ayun parang may puwet doon Parang may isda. Ang laki ng isda. Kaso siya, parang patay na siya guys. Ayun Kita niyo yung white na yan. Ang laki niyang isda. Tapos patay na siya. Patay na siya. Siguro may mga dito ng minuit ng fishing. Tapos yan nakatakas. Yan, namatay din siya. Ayan pala guys, sa kabila niyan, Romania yan guys, Romania country sa kabila nitong river. Yung lupa na yan guys sa kabila, ano na yan? Romania country. Romania country, magkalapit lang yan dito guys sa Serbia. Ang Romania country. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba dito? Ayan, ganito lang dito. Some people fishing dito and kumakain din sila dito. Picnic ba? Pwede sila magluto dito. Kasi may mga dito may pinag-anuhan ng kainan. Pinagkainan ba? Tapos may mga siya ng isda. Buto. Tinik ba? Buto. Tinik. Tinik ng isda. Ayan. Ganito lang siya guys. Super ginit ba? Super ginit. Ang init ng panahon guys, grabe. Siguro mga guys, 48, 45 ganyan. Ang init. Super. Kahit ako guys, nakakap ba. Kahit nakasombrero ako, ang init ba. Ayan, gora na tayo guys. Gora na tayo. Goodbye river. Ayan guys, gora na tayo. Papunta tayo sa ibang lugar. Ayun, sa may sa some river din guys, karugtong nito. Makikita natin yan guys. In other place. Gora lang tayo. Let's go. Let's go na guys. Saglit lang kami. Bye river. Thank you.
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a
Wow guys, ang daming grapes guys. OMG, napakalawak ng farm ng grapes. Ang daming bunga guys. OMG, I can't believe this guys. OMG. Ngayon lang ako nakakita guys na napakalawak na farm ng grapes. Ayan o, super dami ng bunga hanggang dulo. Oh my god, punong-puno ng bunga. OMG, OMG. OMG talaga. Ayan o, andang dulo doon. Ang layo pa guys. Punong-puno ng mga bunga ba o. Grabe o. First time ko makakita nito sa personal. Ang daming bunga, my god. Ito pala pag mga siya, yung mga grapes. Napakarami ng bunga. Punong-puno ng mga bunga guys hanggang dulo. Grabe o. Tapos ang linis pa guys ng puno niya. Napakalinis. Ang ganda na nga dito guys. Ang ganda ng mga farm. Sabi ko kayo pwede na itigil niya yung sasakyan kasi tingnan ko yung yung grapes. Ayan guys, malaya lang yung taong dito punta. Malaya lang ba? Sa gilid lang kalsada to guys. Ayan o, tada! Super init guys, pero okay lang. Napakaraming bunga ng grapes. Enjoy ako dito. Oh my god, napakaraming bunga. Hanggang dulo guys, super dami. Oh my god. Nakikita niyo ba guys? Nakikita niyo ba ang nakikita ko? OMG. Yan, hanggang dulo. Oh my god, napakalawak nitong grapes. Super lawak talaga, OMG. Iyan o. Nakikita niyo ba to guys? Super dami ng bunga o. Tada! Punong-puno ng bunga guys oh. Grabe. Pag nagsinugan to guys, grabe ang dami. Dami nilang i-harvest pag nagsinugan na siya. Ayan o, ang dami. Ang haba hanggang dulo ba? Grabe oh. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Sa mga una kong vlog guys, dati yung sa mga malamig pa, taglamig pa. May mga grapes din dun kaso wala siya mga dahon kasi mga malamig, taglamig pa siya. Ngayon, summer, ayan, siya. Nabuhay ulit ang mga grapes. Yung mga kahoy, na lahat na sila green, ayan. Super dami na ba guys? Ayan, sana mag-enjoy kayo guys. Mag-enjoy din kayo. Wow! Super ganda! Ayan guys, so grabe, ang dami. Grabe, punong-puno lahat ng mga bunga. Yung iba guys, mga maliit pa. Tapos yung iba mga malalaki na. Ayan oh. Grabe oh, bawat punong-puno talaga ng bunga. Grabe, bawing-bawi. Kapag nag-harvest ba nito, grabe. Pag nag-harvest, super dami maha-harvest nila. Oh my god. Gora na tayo guys. Buy grapes. Ayan guys, so nakita nyo, super lawak niya. Hanggang yan dulo dun sa may mga kahoy. Grabe, yan dun sa may bahay. Kubo na yun. Hindi yan totally bahay guys. Bahay kubo lang yung para pag yung mga may-ari. May sisilungan sila kasi mainit. Ito guys, sa kabila din to guys, super, dami oh. Super lawak nito, mas malawak itong farm na to, na grapes. Hanggang dulo din to guys, grabe oh, mas malawak to kaysa doon sa isa na nilapitan ko. Ayan oh, grabe. Sana nandiyan pa rin kayo guys, samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo guys. Pupunta pa tayo guys sa doon sa may banda doon sa may river. Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon doon. Gora lang tayo guys. Gora lang tayo. Explore lang tayo.
artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch.
Guys, malapit na tayo. Malapit na ba? Malapit na tayo sa river. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dyan.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause
Diretso lang tayo.
will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
Guys, nandito na pala tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano mayroon dito. Tapos, go na tayo sa ibang place. Go na tayo sa ibang place. Tingnan lang natin dito guys kung anong mayroon. Tingnan lang natin. Parang may tao dun sa dulo. May mga bagets. Nasa-swim siguro yun dun sa banda ng river. Ang ganda naman ng mga flowers dito guys. O, grass lang to. Grass. Flower. Beautiful. Ayun o, mga lavender. Ganda ng flowers. Hanggang doon dulo. Ano si Padi? Sunod lang tayo kay Padi. Super init guys. Grabe. Uy, grabe bang damo ang taas. Ayan. Lakad lang tayo. Tuloy lang tayo sa lakad. Hanggang doon o. Sa may unahan. Punta tayo doon sa may unahan. Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon doon. Tingnan natin. Ang init guys. Grabe. Yan guys. Dito lang. Ganito lang yung yung river dito. River. Karugtong lang din to guys ng doon sa pinuntahan ng una. Karugtong lang to. Yan o, karugtong din yan yung lupa na yan sa kabila. Romania. Tinignan lang natin dito guys. Kung anong mayroon dito. Yan, gora na tayo. Punta na tayo sa ating destination. Malapit na siguro yun. Malapit na siguro yun dito. Ano lang din yung karugtong lang din yun nito guys ng river. Ayan, sabi ko kay Padi, magkunyari kayo mag-Titanic kami ba? Titanic! Near, far, wherever Ayan, nabali na naman ako guys. Charot-charot lang yan guys. Charot! Let's go! Gora na tayo guys. Gora na tayo. Tapos na tayo guys dito para tinignan lang natin dito. Pupunta na tayo sa ating destination. Karugtong lang din nito guys. Nitong river na to ang pupuntahan natin. Feeling ko medyo malapit na lang din yun. Gora lang tayo guys. Enjoy! Sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo guys. Thank you very much sa walang sawang pag-support sa akin. Thank you very much. Ayan. It's very hot. Super ginit guys. Napakainit. Super. My God. Ang init. Grabe. Todo na to guys. Gora na tayo. Super init. Gora na tayo.
Don't play with my heart. Just let me go. Please let me go. You like to love so hard and then you throw it away. You like to open scars and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So don't you blame it on me. You never knew how bad it was. Guess you never really cared because you said your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You made me love so hard, but then you threw it away. You like to open scars and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard?
Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa ating destination. Kasi may titinan tayo dito guys kung anong mayroon dito. At saka, dati guys, pumunta na kami dati dito nung taglamig pa siya guys. Malamig pa siya dati. At itong mga grass na to, wala to. Mga ano yan, wala yan grass ngayon. Wala yan green. Ngayon, binalikan namin ngayon guys kung anong itsura ngayon guys. Ayan, ganito pala siya. Ganito yung itsura. May pupuntahan tayo doon sa banda doon. Titingnan natin kung yung may mga bunga guys, yung black. Mga wild yun guys, wild blackberries. Tingnan natin kung may mga bunga. Kasi dati guys, nakita namin yun. Wala siya mga bunga. May mga ano yan guys, nakita ko siya may mga tinik siya. Masakit siya kapag na tinik ka niyan. May mga tinik yan guys, ayun o. Ganito pala guys yung wild blackberries. Ayan o. Daming bunga. Tsaka may mga hinog na siya guys. May mga hinog na yung kulay black, hinog na siya guys. Yan. Yan, daming bunga o. Super dami ng bunga. Magsawa lang magkuha kung sinong gustong kumuha. Kaso wala naman pumapansin dito eh. Wala naman ko nangunguha. Walang tao dito guys eh. Ayan o, ito guys o. Lasahan natin. Maano siya guys, matamis. Mainit nga lang kasi mainit siya, sobrang init. Pero pag malamig to guys, linamnam to. Kasi matamis siya pag hinog siya, yung kulay black. Matamis siya. Na maasim ng konti. Ganito pala yung lasa ng wild blackberries. First time ko makakita ng ganito guys sa personal. Wild blackberries. Ganito pala. Ang dami ito guys. Hanggang doon dulo. Grabe, ang dami. Ano lang guys. Tumubo lang ito magsarili guys. Yung mga wild blackberries. Dito tayo sa dito sa gilid ng river. Grabe, ang dami. Oh, daming bunga. Sayang di namin nasaktuhan guys na yung hinog na lahat, yung black na lahat. Hindi namin nasaktuhan na pagpunta dito. Siguro mga after 2 weeks nito, ganyan. Ayan, black na yan lahat, yung mga na yan. Itong blackberries na to. Pitas tayo guys. Dami daming bunga. Pitas tayo ng konti guys, dadalhin natin sa bahay. At ipapakita natin kay mother-in-law. Kung gusto niya yung ganito. Tingin ko ayaw niya ng ganito. Maan din yung guys ng fruits. Mapili din yung guys ng fruits. Ayan, parang ang sarap nito guys pag malamig. Mainit kasi guys, kinain ko yung dalawa, mainit siya. Kasi sobrang init guys ngayon. Super init. Grabe. Ayan hinog na to guys. Sarap. Masarap to guys. Free lang mamitas. At ito guys, akala ko yung yung katulad dun sa sa amin sa province, yung parang siya, kurumbot. Hindi pala siya kurumbot. Damo lang siya guys, damo. Parang yung kahawig niya yung kurumbot. Sa lang din yun, sa mga kung saan niya nabubuhay. Wild din yun. Wild fruits. Ayan guys, super. Ang init talaga guys, grabe. Ayan super init. Ayun yung river. Ito yung blackberries. Punta pa tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung mayroon pa doon. Tara, let's go. Punta pa tayo doon. Grabe, nararamdaman ko guys yung init. Super. Todo ang init. Thank you very much pala guys sa walang sawang pag-support. So hanggang dito nanonood pa rin kayo. Thank you very much. Samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo guys. Hanggang dulo, hanggang katapusan. Charot. Super dami guys dami ng bunga. Hanggang dulo to guys, ang lahat may mga bunga. Grabe punong-puno siya ng mga bunga. Pag nagsihinugan to guys, malaglag lang to. Kainin ng ibon. Kasi may mga narinig ako mga ibon dito. Mga bird. Kainin nila pag hinugas siya. Tapos maglaglagan lang. Ayun ang dami hanggang doon dulo. Itisin natin tong isa. Dalawa ba? Ayan. Maliit lang siya guys. Maliit lang siya. Mas malaki yung raspberries. Yung masarap yun Gustong gusto ko yung lasa nun Hindi ko mapigilang subo. Ang sud na subo yung raspberries. Ang sarap. Grabe. Hindi ko yun makalimutan guys. Yummy raspberries. Ito, blackberries. Wild blackberries. Napakarami pala guys ng uri ng mga berries. Grabe. Dami pala niyang uri. Dami mga blueberries, etc. Mulberries, dami. Etc. Ang dami pala mga berries. Ayan guys. Sure na tayo kay Padi hanggang doon sa dulo. My goodness. Siguro mayroon pa doon. Titingnan si Padi. Marami pa siguro mga bunga guys. Ayan mayroon nga guys. Ang dami pang mga bunga dito. Grabe mamitas si Padi Ang dami mga bunga dito. You know. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe and share. And comment below if you want. Thank you very much guys. Love you guys. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you very much.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad is such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Maybe it's not So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.
Ayan guys, thank you very much. We are here now in the city, in the house. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye guys. Love you.